Okay, here we are again, trying to get another BSA running this year. This one is, I think, a 1970, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, might be a 69. Anyway, it was in pretty rough shape when it came here, but it was all together. It belongs to a guy named Danny. So Danny, this one's for you. I don't know what's going to happen. This is the very first time it's been started. It's got the new electronic ignition in, which I'm not a big fan of. But anyways, she's got new boiler in her. Carburetors are all nice and clean. I've got gas hooked up, and we're going to see if this thing's going to start. So it's 1st of June, as you can see. I've got no coat on right now, so it's probably about 18 degrees out here today in the shop. So anyway, we've got oil in the engine, or excuse me, oil in the transmission, oil in the engine oil tank. We've got oil in the primary, so everything should be good to go. I'm going to prime the carburetors. Okay, that's one. There's the right-hand one. And turn the ignition key on. Cross your fingers. Let's see what happens. That was too sign. The engine sounds good and tight. I have to adjust the carburetors and strobe the ignition timing, and that was too easy. First kick, so I think you got a good one, Danny.